You see anything? I think it's over on the hill up here. So if you wonder what we're doing, yeah, beer and a burger. So the side-by-side is somewhere down in that canyon. I think it's down there.
Yeah.
And I was flying around. We ended up here. I was being a squirrel. And I crashed over the backside. Oh, I think I hear it. Oh, never mind. Okay. Thought I heard the buzzer. But we got RSSI back. So that means my battery's still plugged in. Let me put it. Wait. Okay, the beeper should be on now. The battery didn't come disconnected, so I would have had to turn it on. I think we're over the back side of this hill here. So let's go find it, huh, Shackle? My little mountain climber. My little mountain goat. You my little mountain goat. Look, oh boy. He just likes to hike. Look at all this little hiking. Hiking. But we'll keep going. We'll go find it. All right, yeah, I'm hearing it.
I'm seeing it.
What can you see?
You're upside down. You're facing. It looks like sunlight.
So not
you're facing this direction.
Away from
Facing our back.
away from our sun.
Yeah, because I'm looking at the rocks in front of it right now, and the rocks are lit up like it's got sunlight on them.
Okay, yeah, it sounds like it's over the top. So we didn't make it over this far. So let's go. Let's go. You all right, puppy? Oh, he's good, dude. Let him go.
Now you got caught in the rocks.
Oh.
There's a big old hole right here.
You good boy. Oh yeah, it's at the top. I hear it.
Yep, I hear it. Hey! You land in the only open patch
Yeah.
in this whole mountain.
How many of the arms are still on it? Oh, I just needed turtle mode, dude. Look at this. It looks like it's all intact. Everything's still there.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, man. Look at that. It's still. Oh, we're not recording, but the battery disconnected.
So you had the flight all the way up till you crash.
Oh, I lost my antenna cover. Cool. So we got it back. Wasn't that neat? All right, guys, fly safe. We're gonna go back down there, hopefully before dark. We got 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Good stuff, everyone. Good stuff. Right, Shackle?